Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is the anti-gravity water experiment with a ping pong ball. There's two different experiments, so stick around. And as you all know, this is an experiment, but when you put a ping pong ball in a glass of water, it floats. The first experiment, you can see I have a water bottle that I cut the bottom off of. I put the ping pong ball in, and I'm going to fill it with water to see if it'll float. But when I put the water in, it doesn't float until I put my hand on the bottom, and then buoyancy kicks in and it floats to the top, which is pretty cool. Experiment number two is I have an old milk bottle full of water. You can see when I pressed the ping pong ball down, the water came out. When I turn the bottle upside down, air pressure is holding the ping pong ball in until I pull the ping pong ball out is when the water will come out, and then I can reseal it, which is a pretty cool experiment. So the science behind this is the ball doesn't float up in the water bottle because there is no water underneath it to create the necessary pressure difference for the buoyancy to act effectively. The water flows out around the sides of the ball and goes through the small gaps of the neck, but it does not get underneath the ball. Without the water below to exert the higher pressure of the bottom surface of the ball, there is no net new buoyancy force. Instead, the pressure from the water above pushes it downward, combined with the ball's own weight to keep it in place at the neck. If the water were able to get underneath the ball, the buoyancy would kick in. Hence, when I put my hand there, the water collects up and it's able to kick in the buoyancy and go up to the top, which is pretty cool like this. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. If you did, please remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks for watching.